Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I'll show you how to apply nail oil to help extend the pink area of your nails and grow healthy, beautiful, natural nails. When you apply nail oil, where do you usually put it? It turns out that to truly nourish and grow beautiful nails, the underside of the nail is a key area that many people overlook. I'll also introduce recommended oils and important points to keep in mind, so please stay with me until the end. Okay, let's get started. When it comes to hand and nail care, there are a variety of products like nail oils and hand creams. Hand creams form a barrier on the surface of the skin to prevent moisture loss. On the other hand, nail oils have higher permeability, allowing moisture to penetrate deep into the skin. So, if you're trying to grow out the pink part of your nails, nail oil is the way to go. The best oils to use are plant-based oils like jojoba oil, almond oil, or coconut oil, especially those that don't leave a greasy finish, as they tend to absorb better. Many people use nail oil, but not everyone applies it in the right place. To encourage longer, healthier, and more beautiful nails, you need to apply the oil to the underside of the nail. There's a part of the nail where the skin is attached underneath. This area is called the hyponychium. If this area becomes dry, the skin can start to pull away from the nail, causing the pink section to shrink. As a result, the nails can look short and even give the appearance of nail biting or damaged nails. That's why it's so important to keep this hyponychium area moisturized. Another important part is the nail matrix, located at the base of the nail. This is where new nail growth begins. Taking care of this area helps ensure that your future nails grow out strong and healthy. Now, let's go over how to properly apply nail oil. There are different types of nail oils, some with brushes, some with droppers. But I recommend using a dropper-style bottle. It allows you to apply the oil without touching the skin, making it more hygienic and easier to control the amount. Start by taking a small amount of oil and placing one drop on the underside of each nail. It may seem like a lot at first, but we'll be massaging it in, so don't worry. The oil will begin to run across the nail surface. Once it does, gently use circular motions to spread it evenly across the top of the nail. The sides, the base near the matrix, and the underside where the hyponychium is. One important thing to note: if you pull too hard on the hyponychium, the skin can separate from the nail. So be careful not to use too much pressure and avoid pulling or stretching that area. After applying the oil thoroughly, it's time to massage the area to improve blood circulation. Start by gently pinching the sides of the nail and applying light pressure for a few seconds. Then release. Next, apply gentle pressure to the nail matrix area at the base of the nail. This massage helps promote blood flow, making it easier for nutrients to reach the nail bed and supporting healthy nail growth. For best results, aim to do this care 3 to 5 times a day. If you're serious about growing beautiful nails, I recommend going for 5 times. Some good times to include this in your daily routine are before your morning makeup, after lunch, after washing your hands, after dinner, after your bath or shower. Adding this care into your daily rhythm makes it easier to stick with the habit. At night, after applying nail oil, you can also layer hand cream over it to seal in the moisture. This helps lock in hydration overnight, so you'll wake up with softer hands and healthier nails. So that was a guide to using nail oil to grow longer, healthier, and more beautiful nails. The key points are: apply 1 drop to the underside of each nail, massage gently, do it 3 to 5 times a day, and use plant-based oils with high absorption. If you continue this care every day, you'll likely start to notice a difference in 2 to 3 months. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.